Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide yourself on a Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to hide yourself on a Zoom meeting, you first have to open your Zoom application, and after that, whenever you try to join your meeting, you just simply have to tap into this join button. After tapping into that join button, you will get so many options into here, and among them you will get this join options section. Into here you will get don't connect to audio and turn off my video option. In order to hide yourself on Zoom meeting, you just simply have to enable these options before joining the meeting. And after enabling the toggle for these two options, just simply put your meeting ID that you want to join, and after that click to this join button. After that you will be hidden. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.